Cars. To most, they're just something to get A to B. A welcome alternative to walking. But not us. We understand cars are far more. They're an expression, an extension of ourselves. They are defining moments that have shaped us to who and what we are today. Cars. Cars to you and I are some of the most beautiful things in this life. Sometimes we hate it when it breaks, but it's yours, and you fix it, and it's the best thing in the world again. They not only grip the road, the strip, the apex, they grip our souls as they surge forward and sideways and to a dead stop. They are the essence of our freedom and our weapons of choice on this battlefield of grey and black. This is about the love of acceleration and speed and forgetting everything outside of that. This is our sacred space to face our fears, test our beliefs, and find our place. This is where our dreams are driven. Let me show you.